Your mindset is everything when it comes to creating the life you've always wanted, both personally and in business. And in digital marketing and business in general, mindset is 95% of the game, and strategy it's only 5%. Because the way you think about success, money, and growth is what will determine how far you go. That's why I've created my free ebook, Unlocking Your Wealth Potential, to help you shift your mindset and start thinking like someone who attracts success and wealth. And it's packed with tips to help you cultivate a prosperity mindset and set you up for financial freedom. This ebook will show you how to break through limiting beliefs, practice gratitude, and take the right actions to create the life you've always wanted. When you start thinking differently, you'll see the changes happen in your life and in business. If you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, grab your free copy of Unlocking Your Wealth Potential. Type I am ready in the comments and I'll send you the link.